upstairs. I saw it when I was getting yogurt. Okay, close that. Oh my god. Holy shoot. Guys, this window is open. Oh, it's closed now. Let's look at it. I like the drain is. It's better down here. I go back upstairs. First, let's get a look at the back door. And there was this huge cloud of thunder earlier, and it shook the house. It was like, no. It's what it was like, and I was like, oh my god. You come out here.
I'm fine with rain, but not.
Did it seriously almost stop? Here it comes. Here comes some more. Then put on headphones. Now I'm going to the loft. Let's look at